Now, this is what I would like you to do, is to complete your rough cut. I have added the transitions here. You can do much better than me. Okay, and decide what kind of transition you want. I used the cross dissolve, which is not bad. It's, the most common used. And also added another clip here. I adjusted the clips. Feel free, first of all, to use any clip within the media file. You can add more clips and so on. It's about getting very familiar with the cut page. Now, what is missing is some audio, some music. I will give you one very important tip. Remember, we put the video only, so we can drop without the noise of the guys jumping. Now, if you want to add music, let's go to the music folder, and we click and drag the music. You notice it's impossible to add it. This is because this guy here is on, so you need to put off the video only. You could put on the audio only, but in our case, it won't matter because this track is only audio. So let's click and drag this track, and notice I can put it under. Okay, I can't put it above, it doesn't work, so I put it under. Now, I haven't trimmed the music track, it's very long. So first of all, I'm going to trim it from the beginning, just here, and take it to the beginning of the timeline. Then from the zoom out, I'm going to trim it up to here. Okay, very fast. If I want to adjust it at the end, I'll press and go and adjust it the way I would like. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, most probably the music is very high. And here I'm going to show you just a tip on how to adjust the volume. You come over to Tools. And since the audio track is selected, you will have here the music sign or the audio sign. And you have the volume. Try to reduce the volume the way you would like. Okay, for example, I'll do it like this. For me, I think it's okay. It will be also very nice to add some transitions for the audio. Don't you think so? So let's go to transitions and let's click on audio next to video. And let's use the usual one here. So I can add it at the beginning. Here you are. It has been added. Of course, the same rule applies. You can make it longer, whatever you like. Maybe I'll make it a bit longer. And this is a fade from 0 to the volume that you have set. I press end to go to the end of the timeline. And over here, we're going to add the end. Here you are, you added. I'm going to make it a bit longer. And of course, I would like to go to the beginning and play. This is what I have achieved. What can you achieve? Because in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to render, create an MP4, and upload it to YouTube. And it's going to be very interesting. And you will have to show your video to me and to all other students, your work on the cut page. So do some kind of a nice job, and I will see you in the next lecture after you have added your transitions, your clips, and the audio that I provided for you. You can add any other audio. I will see you then.